Today we're unboxing the brand new MacBook Neo. As you can see, we got the brand new citrus color. It's very cool. This computer, you'll get 256 storage, and I got the 8 gig memory. But check out this box. It's light, refreshing, and can't wait to unbox it. It's a fun name, Neo. Never heard of it, but let me know down in the comments. Let's listen. Perfection. If you like the name or not. But I went ahead and got the citrus color. The other ones like the blush, the indigo, as well as silver, they all look great. But this is definitely the most fun color. You can see the hello right on the tag. Very cool. That's a little touch, and I believe this is the first one they've done it. But this is going to be a 13-inch MacBook, and it's the first budget-friendly MacBook they have. So it's fully aluminum, and you could get it for $599. But check out this color. In the comments down below, let me know if you like the citrus color. It does give a nice yellow hue with the, I would say, green. So definitely like a lime. But let's look right here. So we got the MacBook Neo. Love the color matching. All right, and you have the keyboard, just functionality. Pretty cool instructions. Then in the box, you will get a 20-watt adapter as well as the cable. And again, in this MacBook, it's not powered by an M series chip. It's an iPhone chip. But look at this keys. Very cool. Let's unwrap it. There I am. All right. Hello. But here's the keyboard. It is color matched, but it's coming off a little more of a white tone on camera. But I really love this color. You have 2 USB-C ports. Speakers are in a new location at the bottom, so that's the line. But this is our quick look at the brand new MacBook Neo in citrus. Make sure you like and subscribe. I will be making more content around all Apple devices and this computer.